This video will show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3.8-liter engine. This will be located on the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get started on our job. On the passenger side of the engine, we can see our Serpentine belt. Before removing this, just pay close attention to the routing of the belt itself. It goes over some pulleys and under others. Now with that said, to remove the belt, we have to pay attention to our tensioner. You can see the tensioner right out in this area here. We're going to be using a 15mm on the center bolt head where you can see the pulley. We'll be pivoting this counterclockwise, releasing tension from the belt, and then we can slide the belt off of the alternator. Now I can remove my tool. Now we can continue on with the rest of the removal of the belt. As I mentioned, it goes over some pulleys and under others. Now before we install our belt, the next thing we have to do is inspect each one of our pulleys to confirm there's no damage or miscellaneous debris. Everything looks good here. Now when we install the belt, it has to be in the same routing as when we had removed it. Of course, we do have a diagram displayed for you to see. Typically when I install my belt, I like to start down at the bottom area and make my way up. Now we have to use our 15mm on that tensioner, directly on that center mounting bolt. We're going to be pivoting the tensioner counterclockwise. Now I find it easiest when installing the belt to slide it over one of the smooth pulleys rather than over one of the ribbed pulleys. So I'm taking the belt, I'm going to bring it over the alternator pulley, and I'll be carefully removing it from the water pump pulley. I want to make sure the belt doesn't fall out of place, but this is where I typically like to slide it over. Now while I'm holding pressure here, I can slide the belt over that water pump pulley, and this slides right into position. Let's just double check the belt to make sure it's routed properly and seated on each one of the pulleys as it should be, and then we can remove our tool. Feels good down there. Okay friend, we finished our installation. We've already checked to make sure we're over each one of the pulleys properly without the vehicle running. But now we want to start the car. We're going to let it run for approximately 5 seconds and turn it right back off. After that, make your way out here and triple check the belt to confirm it's seated over each one of those pulleys properly. If it's off by even one tooth on one of the grooved pulleys, it's going to destroy the belt and potentially cause other damage. This is extremely important. Assuming it's on there properly, go ahead and close the hood, start the vehicle, and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.